So hello guys. So before we jump into our next video where we all talk about clipping masks, the pen tool and layer style effects, I want to quickly show you how to remove backgrounds in Affinity. So once you open it, make sure you switch to pixel persona, so right over here. The tool we are using is the object selection tool on the left side, the third one right over here. Now you will probably get a pop-up asking you to download a machine learning tool, so click on settings. When that message appears, and now we are in settings, and you will see the segment model. It's segmentation. It's about 290 megabytes. Just wait for the model to finish up, so we downloading it now. Okay, so now it's installed. We are ready to remove the background. Okay, so we are still inside the pixel persona. In here, if you double press, you will see here selection brush tool, and this is what we need. So with this, we just paint over our subject. So I will go here with this dog. I will select this dog, as you can see, like so. Also this. I think we have selected everything. So now if you want to remove something, hold Alt, so, and you can subtract something from the image. I will do just a little bit. So between these legs, I will select this area, holding Alt and selecting like so. You can do this also here. You have subtract, and this is the same way. Okay, now I will put this back, something like that. Here we can also subtract part of the leg, like so, and this one right here also. When our selection looks good, we can refine it, especially around the hair. So we go to the refine section, which is right here, this button. So click on that. Now we are in refine section. So we have a soft adjustment brush here, and you just paint over the edges so it's detect the hair properly. So we can go like so. For example, I will do something like that, and we will see what will happen. It's a little bit different with animal than with human hairs, but it doesn't do some kind of different thing. After that, we can preview the result on different backgrounds. So I have black made, white made. It looks pretty good. So transparent, okay, overlay. We also can play with this smooth button right here, feather, also, but this depends of your subject. So right here, I think we don't have much difference. I will just go here back where it was. So at 0, I also can put some plus right here. So once you are happy with this, click apply, and now select the layer in the layer panel and press Ctrl and J, the subject into a new layer. It will give him new layer. Hide the original layer, press Ctrl D, and your background is officially gone. So if I do it like so, we can do Ctrl. Now we are without background. This is one way. We also have the quick method using the actual object selection tool. So I will delete that one and show up here this. Okay, so here we have, if you double press it, you will see object selection tool, and will automatically try to detect the subject, refine it the same way as before. So now we have selected our object, and now you can just refine it as before, tweak the ramp if needed, and then apply. You can mask or cut, whichever works for you. Then I will do it like so and hide this one, and we have our object selected, which is pretty great. We could fix it between the legs. So now that we have cleared up how to remove backgrounds in Pixel Persona, we can move to the other stuff. So yeah, uh, I hope this video was helpful. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.